Here are the JH Adriatic fig trees I have potted up, ready to go. These are quite a few years old. So there's the first one. Second one. It's like over 3 feet tall. Third one, shorter, but it has a nice root base. Let's see, fourth one. Again, it's got a nice root base. Fifth one. Sixth one. That's going way up. That's probably like 4 feet at least. Let's see, this would be the sixth one. It's got a nice food line planter. And it's got some nice growth on it. And the last one is very thick. Doesn't have a whole lot growing out because I transplanted it into this pot. But it's got some nice roots down in there. It's got good growth.